Hey guys, hope you guys doing well. Today is Tamil Literature 3 with the Ezhuttukkall. If you remember it correctly, we have 18 letters to study today. Before we start, I have to warn you, do not forget to put the dot on top of the letter. It will give a whole other sense if you forget it. So do not forget, okay? Let's get started.
இக்கண்ணா இங்கண்ணா இச்சண்ணா இஞ்சண்ணா இட்டண்ணா இன்னண்ணா இத்தண்ணா இந்தண்ணா உப்பண்ணா உம்மண்ணா ஈயண்ணா இர்ரண்ணா இல்லண்ணா இவ்வண்ணா இல்லண்ணா இல்லண்ணா இர்ரண்ணா இன்னண்ணா
I really hope it wasn't too complicated for you guys, but even if it was, do not worry. Practice makes it perfect, so practice, write it again and again, and you will get there. I'll catch you guys in the next video, Tamil Literature 4, with our first Uirmeyeluthu Ikkanavalisai.
Thank you guys for watching this episode of Tamil Adventure. I will see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, show us your support by liking and sharing this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's how I know you like the content. If you have any doubts, here is the direct link to our playlist to have a look on our previous video. If you still have any questions, you can contact me through my social medias that are in the description of the video. Thank you guys for your support. I will see you very soon.